the small monkey and the dull crocodile. One day, there was a monkey. He wanted to cross a river. There, he saw a crocodile, so he asked the crocodile to take him across the other side of the river. The crocodile agreed and told the monkey to jump on its back. Then, the crocodile swam down the river with the monkey on his top. Unluckily, the crocodile was very hungry. It stopped off the middle of the river and said to the monkey, "My father is very sick. He has to eat the heart of the monkey, so he will be healthy again." At the time, the monkey was in dangerous situation and he had to think hard. Then he had a good idea. He told the crocodile to swim back to the river bank. "What for?" asked the crocodile. "Because I don't bring my heart," said the monkey. "I left it under a tree near some coconuts in the river bank." The crocodile agreed and turned around. He swam back to the bank of the river. As soon as they reached the river bank, the monkey jumped off the crocodile's back. Then he climbed up to the top of a tree. "Where is your heart?" asked the crocodile. "You are foolish," said the monkey to the crocodile. "Now I am free and I have my heart." Thank you.